Hello, welcome to my channel Math Tricks. In this video, we will see the basic concept of fractions, what they are, what they look like, why we have them, and how we use them. Let's go. What are fractions? Fractions are ways of writing parts of whole numbers. For example, if we take a pizza and divide it up equally between 4 people, each person will have 1/4 of the pizza. If one person were to take 2/4 of the pizza, they would have 2/4, which is the same as 1/2 of the pizza. If 3 pieces of the pizza have been eaten, then 3/4 has gone and 1/4 remains. Finally, the whole pizza is 4/4. Here are some examples of fractions: 1/2, 1/4, and 3/8. The top number says how many slices we have. The bottom number says how many equal slices the whole pizza was cut into. In this example, 3 represent the top number, the slices we have. 8 represent the bottom number, the total slices. Now, let's see the equivalent fractions. Some fractions may look different, but are really the same. In this example, you can see that the bottom number is twice the size of the top number. So, any fraction where the bottom number is twice the top number is equivalent half. So 6/12 and 3/6 are all equivalent fractions that mean 1/2. For example, if we have 3/4, then multiplying by 2 gives 6/8, or by 3 gives 9/12, and all of these fractions are the same as 3/4. Equivalent fraction can be found for any fraction by multiplying the top number and the bottom number by the same number. Let's see what are the numerator and denominator. We call the top number the numerator. It is the number of parts we have. We call the bottom number the denominator. It is the number of parts the whole is divided into. Let's do some exercises. Question number 1. Write down 5 fractions equivalent to 2/3. For the answer, any equivalent fraction where both numerator and denominator have been multiplied by the same number. For example, we can multiply by 2, 3, 10, or 15, and we obtain the 5 fraction equivalent to 2/3. Question number 2. Share a chocolate bar with 32 pieces equally between 4 friends. Write down the fraction they each receive in 5 different ways. For the answer, as shown on the diagram, each person will get 8 pieces of chocolates. For the fraction, each one receives 8 out of 32. So, for the equivalent fractions, we can divide by 8, 4, 2, or multiply by 2, or any other equivalent where the numerator and the denominator have been multiplied or divided by the same number. Question number 3. Write 7 as a fraction in 5 different ways. For the answers, we can write 7 as 7 out of 1. Then we find the other equivalent fractions by multiplying by 2, 10, 100, and 3. Or any other fraction where the numerator and the denominator have been multiplied by the same number. This is all for the introduction to the fractions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Looking forward to see you in the next video, how to simplify a fraction. Bye.